Ngayon, we are merely limited to 5 days for every competition. Wala pang, hindi, kung magwa-practice ka, kailangan pang kumuha ng permit to transport ulit. Masyadong nalilimitahan yung galaw ng mga shooters natin, where in fact, our shooters also represent the Philippines in world competitions. By limiting our practices and competitions, nahihirapan tayo sumali. But in fact, lately, we have been champions in world shoot. Mr. Topacio, saan yun? 1, 2, 3, sila ang tatlong pan-Pilipinas lahat ang nanalo. Australasia ba? We are one of the best shooters in the world. If we restrict our shooters, baka bumaba tayo sa standing natin. Yun lang po ang request ng PISMO.